welcome back to my channel Motivating Moksha. Today I'm going to teach you how to do basic quilling flowers. So let's get started. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Now to do quilling paper flowers, you will need quilling papers, scissor, quilling tool, fevicol and 2 beads. Now let's do the first flower. Now I'll show you how to do this petal. To do this petal, you will need 3 dark blue and 1 light blue. So let's start doing the flower. First, take your dark blue color and your quilling tool. Now roll your dark blue color. Now remove it from the quilling tool and just leave it. So it will become like a loose coil. Now apply some glue and stick it. Now just press the ends like this. Now make one more shape like this. Now you have to do the same in light blue color. Now take the dark blue color, apply some glue and stick the light blue color. Repeat the same. Apply some glue and stick the dark blue color. Now our next step is apply some glue over here. Take your dark blue paper and wrap it like this for 2 to 3 times. After drying it, you have to just press it on the top. The petal is beautiful, isn't it? Now you have to make 6 such petals. Now you have to make one light blue type foil. Now you have to put petals around the light blue foil like this. You have to stick them. Now our flower is ready. Now apply some glue in the middle and take 1 bead and stick it. Now to do this petal, you will need 3 dark blue and 1 yellow stripe. Now take your dark blue stripe and your quilling tool. Now roll it. Remove it from the quilling tool and just leave it. Now apply some glue and stick it. Now you have to press it like this and bend it. Now you have to make one more shape like this. Now take your yellow stripe and your quilling tool. Now roll it. After rolling it, remove it from the quilling tool and just leave it. Now apply some glue and stick it. Now you have to press the 2 ends of it like this. Now take your dark blue color, apply some glue and stick the yellow color. Again apply some glue in the yellow color and stick it with the blue color. Now you have to make a tight coil. I'm using dark blue and yellow color. Now you have to just stick it. If you want, you can stick magnet to the back of your flower and attach it to your fridge. Our second flower is also ready. Now let's see how to make this petal. To make this petal, you need two colors, white color and green. First, take your white stripe and your quilling tool. Now, roll it. If you want more videos like this, please comment. Now, remove the quilling tool and just leave it. Now stick it. Now you have to just press it like this and stick it. Now just apply some glue on the top and take your green color paper and wrap it. Now the petal is drying. In the meantime, let's make a teardrop. To make teardrop, take a red color stripe and quilling tool. Now you have to just roll it. Now, this is called a tight coil. If you leave it, it will become a loose coil. This is called loose coil. Now, apply some glue over here and stick it. Now you have to just press over here like this. This is called as teardrop. Now take your teardrop and take your bead. Put it inside and stick it. First take your teardrop and put it over here. Now we have to arrange it. You have to arrange it like this and stick it. Now our 3 flowers are done. Hope you all enjoyed watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.